Hello boys and girls, it's Sunday, February 10, Super Bowl Sunday, the 4/13/2026. I'm fixing to unbox that and this one up here, which is if I get the mouse carp right, this one here, a National RX-F10. So let me just, because I just got here just now, there's the red one, this is the beige one. Okay, great. So let me throw this up here, right? And get on the tripod, okay, and then just throw it down to the, I guess that'll work. Just put it on the bed. Just put it on the bed. Okay, that's good. Alright, so flip this around so you can see yourself. Alright. Okay, so actually put it, well, let's just put it, that'll work. Alright, great. Okay, so because you have a alright, so and then start this one. Okay, so okay, we're live, yay. It's, what day is today? I can't remember anymore. Okay, it's February 8th, Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday and all that, 2026. Okay, get that done. Great. Alright, so now this is a RX-F10, RX-F20, excuse me. Got a tape in it. Works. Okay. And that's what I hope to unbox out of here. Alright, so set this down here. And up here, just arrived just minutes ago on Sunday, is this thing here. No, this one been here. That one just got here, which is this one up here. Alright, so, but in the meantime, I just want to start this one here. Okay, so can I see myself? Yeah, I can see myself. Here's the box. So, okay, just so much stuff to go out in the trash now, or the packing, that is. This model here is kind of sort of my favorite model for its size. That's right. I wanted to read you the listing. Listing said it was sold for junk condition because the power cable is missing. The power supply and basic operation of the unit cannot be confirmed. It will be broken and in junk condition. So they sold it without ever plugging it in or trying it or whatever. But the pictures reflect that it's in very good cosmetic condition. So if I never figure out all the tape they got on here and get this thing opened. Alright, this is, like I said, I've got, I don't know how many of this model I have, but I have a few. I've broken the handle on one of them, otherwise working great. And just the handle's, just plastic. It's not. Anyways. Okay, so here we go. Finally, yay! This came from over there. Okay, so just you really package this well. Okay, so there we go. Oh, we got some Japanese newspaper. Okay, so who cares? Alright, enough of that. Enough of this. Here it is, and all it's red glory. Got more newspaper in the bottom. Okay. Okay, so nothing but paper. More paper. Alright, so there we go. So now scissors. Alright. I already got a power supply right there, which I've already verified with the blue in there that it does work. even though this one's got batteries in it. But it sits on my work table. So there we go. And then, and I'm in a bit of a hurry because I have, well, a lot to do here. Okay, so now, they used a lot of tape on this. All right, here we go. Yeah. Well, okay, yay. Now, it's in very good condition. It's got clean battery, and that one's clean as well. That's very nice, because that's the main issue with these, is that the negative terminal here would get corroded and there's no way to reach in there and clean that. But anyway, let's get a power supply, which I've got right here. Run the volume down. Put it on middle, put it on radio, put it on normal, put it on FM, plug it in.
It's listening here, custom. Easily sync and get quality protection. Yep, it's a win-win. So what are you waiting for? Check Allstate first for a quote today. You're in good hands with Allstate.
This month, iHeartRadio is celebrating the stars of the 2026 Winter Games. Park City, Utah.
Works great. Sit here and play with this all day, but got more stuff to do, so it's running a bit slow, but I think, I'm not sure. But I can adjust that and see here. That works. Okay, it needs cleaning. Yeah, it needs some. Oh yeah, just needs cleaning. Excellent. Okay, this got the complete antenna with a tip, so I selected it. So that's a good deal right there. So we will just put this over here. Okay. Now let's go to the next one here. This one is a, okay, this is an F20. This is an F10. So it's actually somewhat bigger. And that was the other thing that I've never seen this model before. So it doesn't exist in the American market. So I thought, well, hey, this is basically the same thing as that, just bigger. Okay, so, and in their listing, which is this one here, they said, what did they say? Blah, blah, blah. Okay, main unit, dense, okay, radio, AM, okay, this one specifically says that the AM radio is working and the tape is okay. And they also had a equal eBay listing for a lot more than what they were trying to sell it for on this site. And but in comparing notes across both listings, the FM may not work, which is okay because I don't listen to the radio that much. But here it is, and there is nothing in here but just a whole lot of packing material. So great. You can throw that away. Plenty of boxes and packing material. Oh, here's a power cord. Yay! Okay, great. So that's nice. Again, I have a power cord back down here, so we'll just get this. Don't they know they can just simply put the power cord in the battery compartment? But okay. All right. We'll mess with that later. Okay. So now. So this is just a little bit longer and thicker, but it's still small. Let's see here. So I'm not going to try and save this wrap. I just need to get into it. All right. So, all right. So yeah. Okay. almost made it all the way across. There we go. Well, okay, so it's got usage marks, minor scratches, very clean otherwise. Okay. And it's got a battery cover. This takes 6 C batteries. Terminals are clean. Let's get a power cord and plug it in. Let's see. This should be a power cord. So, it's under the box. Okay, there we go. And this is what? Well, okay, that's too small to read. Okay, fine. So just before we plug it in, let's make sure all the switches are down low and all that. So, okay, so volume, and this is in English, by the way. All this stuff on top of here. So, balance. No, that's mix. That's mixing level. Okay, I don't care about that. Has a 3-band equalizer on the front. Okay, so we'll put it to tape off, normal, stereo, and that's the band channel. Okay, so it's got everything that I can see, so let's plug it in and see what happens. So there's that. And alright, so put it on radio. Okay, it's on, but okay, volume. Where's volume?
Shop designs that update and elevate every room with cozy sofas starting at $295, dreamy queen beds $95, and modern dining sets starting at $295. Plus, pay no interest for 24 months on select purchases with your good credit. As soon as next day, celebrate in style only at the Living Spaces President's Day event. Living Spaces.
Your one stop for advertising? Call 844.
He is super together go storming for a couple hours. When we finish, take a shower. I could do this for hours.
Okay, nothing wrong with the FM radio. What's wrong is that this switch is dirty. It needs to be cleaned. That's it. Let's see if the tape deck does anything. So hit eject. That works. That works. And play. That works. Okay. Let's get my tape. What do I do with my tape? Okay, I have to play the video back to see where the tape went. Where'd the tape go? I'm sitting on it? No. I leave it in this machine, maybe. Alright, so hit eject. Uh-oh. Well, as you can see, it ate the tape, so we'll not do that right now. We will get another cassette from somewhere. We should have a cassette somewhere around here. Well, there's a cassette. So, oh no, I want to use this. Yeah, use this instead. If I can not get in trouble playing this. Okay, so this is the okay. Oh, it's in good condition. It just needs a tune-up. Music search works. I'm golden. Alright, so there you have it. You got this. I'll show you that one, but it's got the tape all stuck in it, so it's looking like this. It's that big right here. It's like this. It's in comparison, it's that big. Okay, so looks like that. And looks like this roughly. Okay, so that's about all I can show you. Usually got the, let's see here. Again, the complete antenna. There it is. Right. Okay, so gotta stop this, eject, get my tape out. Now I gotta stop this and start over, and the phone's dinging and all that, but okay, so let me bring the camera. Well, okay, since it ate the tape, well, let's see here. This one it ate the tape. I won't spend all day getting the tape out of that one, but there it is. So play with that after I shut this thing off. Right? Alright, so there's that. Here's this. Get this camera. Alright, so y'all know what a y'all know what an F20 looks like. Here's an F20. Looks like that. It's in good condition. Hello. Yeah, figures. There's F10. Alright, so and then this here. And then in the back we've got what? Got that. 6 batteries. This. And thought it had line in. Oh, here we go. It's got line in and stuff right there. Wait. Okay, so we got that going on. What's on the other end? Nothing is on the other end. Wait. Okay, so great. Okay, so now I'm just having too much fun here. So, all right. So good day, bye bye. Thanks for watching. Gotta go. Have a good day. Bye bye.